Hello guys, today I'm very excited because I've got the SkyZone 02C goggles. These are my very first pair of goggles that have that small form factor with two screens. I always used box goggles. I'm currently using the Viper, so I'm very curious to see how these goggles compare. So let's crack them open. I'm gonna give you my first impression. Alright, let's see what's inside. So this is the user manual. I've got two boxes. So this box have cables. So we got the power cable. This is, I guess it's the some video output cable, I guess, I don't know. This other cable here, this is the adapter that goes here, I guess. Composite cable and two antennas. Okay, they come in this nice rigid case, which is pretty small. Okay, and here they are. So we got the face plate here with the stick. This is a bigger, different type of, this is kind of leathery, fake leather, and this is spongy. And these are the goggles themselves. Wow, first of all, they look super nice. They look really good. These look super slick, super nice. They look really good. You can put dioptics in here. Probably we'll see if I'm gonna be needed them, because I wear glasses, but obviously you can't fit the glasses in here. You got the switch button, and these are the IPD adjustment. Your memory card, USB, HDMI, AV in, AV out, and headphones. And this is the tracker. I don't think I have the option though, because this is the C model, it's not the X model. So there's a camera here, but I don't think it's gonna work, because as far as I know, the camera output and the tracking output are reserved for the X model, and this is the C model, so I'm not sure why these are there. This is the fan, which is metal case with the cool Batman logo here for some reason. So let's plug them in. I'm gonna use this this battery this is a 3S 2200 milliamps that I use with my other goggles. So I'm gonna use this cable here. So plug this cable here, and then I'm gonna plug this guy here, and I'm gonna turn them on. There you go, I've got signal. I'm gonna plug my Mobile 7 HD just to get some image, and I'm gonna push this search button. So hopefully this is gonna go through the channels. I used the auto search, that was very quick, and I don't know if you can see it, but it found my my Mobile 7. If I move it around here, the image is very clean and sharp. I'm very surprised. My biggest concern was, will I be shocked of the small image compared to my bigger box goggle, but actually the image feels very good. It's not too big, it's not too small. It feels really the right size, and it's very sharp. It's incredibly clean and sharp, so I'm very impressed. And the fan that you activate just by pushing once the power button is incredibly quiet. Let's see if you can hear it. You can barely hear it, and it's super quiet, which is amazing. The first impression here that I have, it's outstanding. These are absolutely fantastic. Obviously I'm gonna have to try them and see, you know, the reception, and if they, you know, wearing a long time, if they start hurting your face, how comfortable they are, etc. But the first impression is really good, and yeah, I mean, I'm very impressed. So yeah, I just wanted to share my unboxing and first impression with you guys. I look forward to try them, and yeah, that was about it for now. So stay tuned for more videos, and thank you for watching.